This is my YouTube channel, Francie's Place. Recently, I posted a video on how to print the Uno cards, and within the comments, someone asked me where I got the template for the Uno cards. I am a part of a Facebook group, and there someone shared the link. I do not own this, but it was shared with me, so I thought I would share how to be able to share a link of one of your projects or your work from Canva, and it would automatically become a copy for the person instead of them going into your project and messing it up. So what you do is you go up here to share, you click on share, and you go all the way down to the bottom where you see the three dots and more. When you get here, you're going to look for template link. Now, from what I'm understanding from the video that I watched earlier, this is a pro or for the educators, for teachers. I do not know because I have the educational for teachers. So you click on the template and then you create the template and it gives you the link. So here you can copy it and now you can share it with other people. So when they open it up, it'll automatically become a copy for them and they do not destroy your work that you've already worked on. Okay, have a good night and thank you. Please like and share my videos. Help me out becoming a contenter because I love working with Canva. Thank you.